I got my first paycheck from a job and I stared at it like, this cannot be real. This cannot be true. After 2 weeks of work, is this what I get? That was the day I broke out of the system. I showed up. I worked hard. I gave my time. But when that paycheck came, it was shockingly small. So I did something most people are afraid to do. I picked up the phone and called them. I asked, is this what we agreed on? And they said, it varies based on shifts. And that moment, something rose inside of me. Not anger, but a revelation. I said to myself, if this is how this works, I'm out. No fear, no backup plan. I resigned immediately. Even the lady on the phone was shocked when I told her I resigned immediately. She asked me, what did you say? I repeated, I resigned immediately. Now listen, I didn't have a business. I didn't have capital. I didn't have a strategy, but I had something. I had me. And that's when everything changed. I walked into my kitchen. I opened the pantry and looked around. And I asked myself, what do I have? I had flour. I had sardines. I had something that I could begin doing pastries. So what did I do? Nothing fancy, nothing branded, just something I could move. The next day, I started selling. No logo, no website, no business plan, nothing. Just action. And in one day, I made half of what that company paid me for 2 weeks. That's when my eyes opened. By the end of that week, I didn't just survive. I doubled it, tripled it, and I realized something most people will never understand. Money is not hard to get. You've just been trained, or we've just been trained to look in the wrong places. 2 Kings chapter 2 verse 4 says, tell me, what do you have in your house? The widow said she had nothing, but she had oil. I thought I had nothing, but I had something. I had flour in my pantry. And that something became my breakthrough. Listen carefully, child of God. You don't need money to start. You don't need capital to begin. You need awareness. You need courage, movement. Look around you. What do you already have? What can you sell? Who can you serve? Your breakthrough is not coming. It's already in your house. It's already in you. It's within you. It's around you. The day I resigned, I learned something that changed my life. I am the investment, not a job, not a paycheck. Me. I am the investment. And so are you. You are waiting for money, but money is waiting for you to move. You are not empty. You are loaded. The moment you move, money will respond. God has invested so much in you that He wants that investment to bring a positive return. If this woke you up, comment, I am the investment, and subscribe to Kingdom DNA Academy. Share this video with someone who is afraid to take the first step. Move. You are the investment. Thank you and God bless you. In Jesus' name. Bye-bye.